Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you another complete home renovation here we did in Quakers Hill. Let's come inside. Here we have done a wider 1200 entry door. Previously there was only an 820 so that they can have a bigger, wider entry. This used to be a 3-way bathroom with a separate vanity in the toilet room. We divided that into two, so now they have an ensuite bathroom with a freestanding bathtub and a shower on the top, like a combo. Wall-hung vanity, back-to-wall toilet, and main bathroom on the other side. Here you can see the main bathroom. Same thing, wall-hung vanity, back-to-wall toilet, frameless barn door shower screen, and a skylight for the natural light. We renovated their kitchen. Here you can see Calandra crema stone bench top, polyurethane finish handleless cabinets, and everything soft close. Often clients ask me, can we renovate the laundry when we renovate the bathroom and the kitchen? Yes, and it comes very economical as well. So have a look at their laundry. When we do renovations, we do PVC shutters, blinds, painting, downlights, skylights, everything, you name it. So we are more like a one-stop shop. If you got a similar project you're looking for, give us a buzz and we will be able to help you out. See you next time.